Hey everyone, welcome to day 9 of our Python series. Today we're learning about if statements in Python. An if statement lets your program make decisions based on a condition. Think of it like asking a question. If the answer is true, Python runs one block of code. If it's false, it skips it. Here's a simple example. Age equals 18 if age greater than or equal to 18. Print, you can vote. Since the age is 18, the condition is true, so the output is you can vote. But what if the condition is false? That's where the else statement comes in. Age equals 15 if age greater than or equal to 18. Print, you can vote. Else, print, you cannot vote. Now the output will be you cannot vote. Sometimes you need to check more than one condition. That's where Elif comes in. Marks equals 75 if marks greater than or equal to 90. Print. Grade A, Elif marks greater than or equal to 70. Print grade B, else, print grade C. Since the marks are 75, the output is grade B. You can also combine conditions using and, or, and not. For example, age equals 20 has ID equals true. If age greater than or equal to 18 and has ID, print entry allowed. If both conditions are true, Python runs the code. If statements are used everywhere in programming, from login systems and games to websites, apps, and AI. So remember, if checks a condition. Elif checks another condition if the first one is false. Else runs when none of the previous conditions are true. And that's if statements in Python. See you in the next lesson.